My name is Manuela Ruminski, working for SAP CRM Product Management. The video I'm showing now is giving you one example of doing multi-channel campaign management using campaign optimization. Campaign optimization helps to improve the efficiency of direct marketing campaigns. By using response models, it suggests how to best address the customers of an initial target group to maximize profitability or response. Campaign optimization predicts relevant success key figures such as response rates, costs, profits, or marketing ROI. Based on optimization parameters, the initial target group will be tailored into target groups for each execution channel of the campaign. The example I've set up is a sales campaign to be executed by two different channels, the Interaction Center channel and also the web channel. The new notebook clean technology will be offered to a target group of approximately 4,000 customers with a discounted price of $899. Here you can see the structure of the campaign. It consists of three different steps. The first step has the initial target group assigned, which will be split into target groups for the Interaction Center and the web channel steps by campaign optimization. The two steps for the actual execution do already have the product to be promoted and also the discounted price specified. I'll now open the process view to show how campaign optimization comes into play. Here in the process view you can see that the step with the initial target group and the steps for the actual execution are connected by an optimization node. The initial target group of this first step will be the input for the optimization. Let's now have a closer look at the optimization details. At first you can decide in the optimization node whether to optimize your campaign from the profit perspective or from the response perspective. In the parameters section, you make informed assumptions on response rates and costs for each channel based on experience. You could also use, of course, response prediction models like RFM analysis to make the predictions specific to the customer. Here you can define conditions like budget restrictions, product availability restrictions, or limits for the number of contacts per channel, as we did here for the Interaction Center channel. In the assignment conditions, customer-related conditions can be specified. For example, customers that were contacted already by a certain previous campaign should now be contacted via the email channel. Having all those parameters specified, you can run a simulation to get predictions on the potential campaign success, taking all the different assumptions and restrictions that were defined into account. The simulation results show the optimized size per channel, predicted response values, costs, and also the predicted ROI per channel. You can play around with the parameters and run the simulation as often as needed. I will now start the campaign, which will first generate the target groups for the two execution channels based on the optimization parameters. Afterwards, the campaign will be triggered automatically to generate the call lists for the Interaction Center and to send the emails to the other target group. Now that the campaign was successfully executed, let's have a look at it from the customer's perspective to close the loop for the email path. That's the email that was sent to Manuela Rominski, one of the customers being contacted by the campaign via email. It's describing the new notebook, which can be bought now for only $899. The customer opens the web shop via the URL provided with the email. Here in the web shop, the campaign ID is applied right away. The customer puts one of the new notebooks into his shopping cart and proceeds to check out. Now the customer has to enter his logon details. Right after login, the customer is recognized as being eligible for the campaign, and the campaign price will be applied, which we can see on the next screen. So here you can see that the campaign was applied to the order and that the customer got a discounted price for it. So now you have seen one example of running an end-to-end multi-channel campaign using campaign optimization. I hope you liked it, and maybe this functionality helps you to optimize your marketing processes in future. Thank you very much.